Okay, let's do it. I got to make sure. See, there's a reason for the madness. Why I cut it off? Why I dug the root back that far, so that I could get the wires loose and cut it in such a way to where I don't put any pressure or cut accidentally one of the landscape, not the landscape, but the sprinkler timer wires. This wire and that wire, remember, go over to those other boxes. So now I just have to be kind of careful and get those pushed out of the way. Okay, I got to be careful now so it doesn't go through and nick the wire or something, so I'll just go kind of slow. Okay, I got that, and that's kind of moving. So let's just see if I can wedge my flat bar on there and see if I can get it. You know, yeah. See, there. Look at that. Look at that, would you? Holy cow! And now. Now, I can, oh, look at that, look at that. See how that was wrapped around there? I thought those two wires, okay, I thought one of them was for the timer, two of them was for the timer, and two were for the light here. But see, look at this. There's only two wires there, isn't there? There's nothing here. So, now, see, that wire, I'm not sure exactly where that goes, because, well, this wire here, I know where that goes. Okay, that's the lights. It goes on over and zips out over here. I'm gonna have to check that out some more later. Okay, but I'm not sure why they ran this one over that way, because you remember the wire goes all the way through here. Let's see here. I'm gonna have to really think about this now. Where do those wires come from? Because I thought one of those wires came across over here to feed all of the lights, and apparently it does not. that went to this light fixture. This one over here came a different way, and maybe from that section it comes across over here, and then it zips over here, and then comes over. It could come in right here. It could come in this one here, okay, that I had the wire nuts on. It could go over, and then it could go across, because I know there's a wire that comes all the way across there, and then it probably just comes through here, and then it zips around over to here, and that's where they had that first light. And then they I don't know exactly where that one goes, because from this light a wire went over here, and then it went across over here, as I showed you before. And I know this wire, the wire right there, goes under the grass, and it comes out over here, and then it goes across over to that light right there. Okay, isn't that weird? So they might have ran an additional wire for extra, in case somebody wanted to tap into that for somewhere else. I have no idea what the deal is with that, but you know, I'm not really going to worry about it tonight. I am going to chop this up, because I got the Sawzall here. I'll chop it up in two pieces, so I have 3 pieces there, so I can fit them in the dumpster. And then I'm going to put all my stuff away here. I thought I was going to put all these lights in today, and I'm still contemplating. I had talked to my wife, because I thought initially one of those wires was going over there, and I couldn't see it until I got that big old nasty root out of there. Okay, because I thought there was 4 wires there. I thought 2 were going across. There is no piece of conduit there that takes a wire going across there. And worst case scenario, if we really truthfully needed to get a wire over there, guess what I could do? I don't really want to do it, but I know my wife really would like a light over here. You know, the down lights. Remember, I was going to put one here in the corner, one up there on that edge, and I told her, I said, wouldn't it be nice if we had one right over there, so you've got 2 lighting up the entrance. And obviously the downspout comes out here, but I could put it right in here somewhere. It won't be in the way of the downspout or anything like that. And then match up the other one like for like over there. Now how do you suppose I could get the wire over there if I needed to get the wire over there? I'll have to do some more investigating. Like I said, I'm gonna dig this around the edges, and maybe dig it down kind of deep, see if I can find any wires down there. Chances are I'm not going to find any wire there. But what could I do? What could I do? There's 2 different things I'm thinking of now that I'm talking it through. Do you have any idea what those are?